Well, in a major win for Indian technology on the global stage, Infosys has secured a landmark 1.2 billion pounds contract. That's 14,000 crore rupees from the UK's NHS Business Services Authority. The 15-year-old deal? Well, to build the future NHS workforce. The solution? A next-gen AI-powered platform that will manage the entire employee life cycle for 1.9 million NHS staff across England and Wales. The new system will replace the aging electronic staff record ESR, a decades-old platform that handles everything from hiring to payroll. But this isn't just a tech upgrade. It's actually a complete reimagining of how the NHS manages its people, covering recruitment, onboarding, career growth, retirement, and 55 billion pounds in annual payroll. At the core of it all, well, advanced analytics and AI, including Infosys' own Topaz AI suite to deliver a unified, intuitive experience for healthcare workers. Think smart, scheduling, predictive, staffing, real-time insights, and seamless integration with other NHS systems. The goal? Here it is, data-driven decisions, not paperwork. Infosys beat global rivals in a high-stakes procurement process, winning praise for its track record in large-scale digital transformation, user-centric design, and operational reliability. This aligns directly with the NHS 10-year health plan, which aims to build a future-ready, digitally empowered workforce. Infosys CEO Salil Parekh called it an honor and said this: to deliver generational change for NHS employees, end quote. And NHS BSA CEO Michael Brodie said this: far beyond simply replacing ESR, calling it a strategic enabler for the future of public healthcare. With Infosys' global delivery muscle and AI capabilities, the UK is betting big on Indian tech to modernize one of the world's largest public employers. This isn't just another outsourcing contract, it's a flagship AI plus enterprise deal, showcasing India's ability to lead mission critical, sovereign digital infrastructure for Western governments. Coming just 2 years after its $1.64 billion Liberty Global win, Infosys is proving it can compete at the very top tier of global technology services, not just maintain systems but reinvent them. For Infosys, this contract signifies more than just financial gain. It enhances the company's credibility and visibility in the global public sector, a domain that has traditionally, been challenging for Indian IT firms to penetrate. The scale and complexity of the NHS project demonstrate Infosys' ability to handle large-scale mission-critical systems, setting a precedent for future opportunities in similar sectors worldwide. And this might just be the beginning of how Indian IT firms impact on AI. That's a question I believe that all of us have long sought an answer for.